Hey guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. I just want to show you guys the products first. So I really want to try a lot of products from Pat McGrath, but they look amazing and I really wanted to try them, but they were sold out, so I didn't. So I was like, you know what, let me just try these ones that I can get on my hands and show you guys what it looks like. So I got this Nude Lipstick. So I'm just really attracted by her names of her products and also the packaging. Like, look at this packaging. Like, it just looks luxurious and, you know, it's just giving goddess all the way. So here's the lipstick. And I'm really in love with this. Like, it looks really cute. If you have this in your purse, your Chanel bag, anything like that, you just pull this out. It just goes with everything, the black and gold as well. And so this is the color that I got. I really just love the color, like I said. I wanted something neutral. Let me know what you guys think about this. Alright, so this is the main character. I got this palette and I want to try this with you guys today. This palette is called the Ecstasy that has 5 colors. So let's just open it up. Well, first of all, let's just look at the packaging. For me, I'm just in love with everything gold. That's my favorite color. So this is it open, and just be careful when you're opening this because it has a whole bunch of sequins in it, which I love. Woo, see? I dropped it. So I love this. So here is the palette. Let me open it up for you. The colors are really, really nice. They look really pigmented as well. So I'm just gonna tell you guys the names of them. The first one is called Sinful. So that's this one, this green kind of metallic color. All of them are metallic. Actually, no, this one, I don't know if it's metallic, but it has some sparkles in it. Number 2, this one is called Gold Nectar. Number 3 is this one. And this one's called Sextrovert. I don't even know what that is. And then number 4 is this one, which is Illicit. And number 5 is, I guess, is it? Well, I messed it up, but basically you guys know what it is. I'm gonna just go through it, so we're gonna get into it. Alright, so let's get started. I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyelids just to start. I already have a little bit. I put some before it came on camera, but I'm just gonna go in with this a little bit more. Make sure that it's blended into my skin. So guys, I want to talk to you guys a little bit because I want to do a series on my channel about friendships and ending friendships, you know, just changing your environment, changing the people that you talk to, the people that you're around, the people that you surround yourself with in 2022. Mainly because for me, I lost someone that I thought that was a friend of mine, which ended up not to be. I felt like I was more of a friend to her than she was to me, and it was somebody that you guys may know only because she's a big person. Yeah, I just feel like for me, I'm learning to accept people and how they are and their idiosyncrasies and things that they have within themselves that, you know, they're working on. But that doesn't mean, just because they're working on that doesn't mean that I have to, you know, tolerate their behaviors or things that they may do. But anyway, let me show you guys a picture of what I'm actually trying to accomplish. Alright, so we're gonna go with this look. I don't know if you guys can see. But I might do it a little bit different only because, like, I don't like certain things on my face. So we're gonna copy Venitra today and get right into it. Alright, I'm gonna start out with a base and I'm gonna put some brown shadows on my lid and then I'm gonna go in with those shimmery colors. I'm just gonna start out with my bronzer. Just to set everything together, I wanna just go in with setting powder just to mattify what I have on it already, which is concealer. So now we have like a good base or foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and just mix these two together. And I'm gonna go in just with the crease. I wanna know what you guys think about me doing a series like that. I'm probably gonna do it anyway, whether I ask you guys or not. But I just wanna do it mainly because, like, I feel like a lot of people are probably going through it as well. And their issues with dealing with people and their issues, and everybody comes with baggage in life, you know, like everybody's been through something, but it's how you handle it and how you handle it with being with and around people. So for me, I want to be able to touch on that because it's affected me, and I feel like a lot of people, they don't know how to deal with their issues, and then they put it on you. At this point in my life, like, I'm willing to be patient with people, but I'm not gonna be patient to the fact of me being hurt by things, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna be hurt by your hurt. You know, like they say, hurt people hurt people. Anyway, I don't know. That's just what I'm going through right now, guys. So let me go on with this shade. I'm gonna start off with this brown shade right here. I'm also gonna wet my brush also, just to round out everything. So I'm applying it with this flat brush, but I'm gonna go in and just buff it out with my other one. And so far, I like it. I just feel like they're not as, like, it's a cream base, I would say, but I like it a little bit, not pigmented, but like heavier. I don't know how to explain it, but I just wish it was a little bit heavier. That's just my opinion on it so far. And I'm bringing it all the way in throughout the whole lid, because I really love gold. Gold is literally my favorite color. I kind of went crazy with this one. But it does look really, really nice. And I'm gonna take my buffer brush and just blend it all the way in. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about, like, sorry, I have hair on my face. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about, like, you know, going through life and having different challenges with people and like friendships that you have. At the end of the day, we're all growing and changing, and I feel like it's good to do that. Like, you have to do that in life. You can't stay in the same place. But it's just how you treat people in the midst of going through that, you know? And some people, they don't want to change. They like where they are and where they're staying in life. And that doesn't mean that aligns with you, you know? So you just have to work on accepting other people's downfalls and, you know, work on your own, because everybody got some. Everybody got some. So I'm gonna go in with a little darker shade, but I'm gonna use a smaller brush and get in the crease, because right now I feel like it's just a lot of shades going in different ways. So I'm just gonna take this brown color and go in my crease with it. And for me, I don't really like dark shades, so I'm gonna go very lightly with this and just line up just in a little outer crease, a little bit. And then we're gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm gonna put it in the inner crease. So right here for me it's a little bit too dark, so I'm just gonna buff that out, and then I'm gonna go in with more of the gold.
Trust me, I'm starting to realize and look beyond.
And I feel like this looks very radiant.
Sun keeps on turning to twilight. Baby, we
like it's a really nice copper. Like it's not even copper, it's just like a rich gold color. And I really enjoy that.
You say it's getting too late. Baby, don't be afraid. When last did we feel this close together? Chasing sunsets in California. Don't make me.
And I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit with concealer.
Don't take forever. It's been forever. Don't take forever. It's been forever.
So I'm just gonna finish off there because I feel like we're good. And then I'm gonna finish off with the rest of my face. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with the eyes and the face, but now we're gonna get into the lipstick. So all I did was line my lips, and now I'm gonna try out the lipstick. I just love this packaging. Like, it's just cute. Like, it's just cute and dainty, and it just reminds me of, like, you know, those old Hollywood movies where they just, you know, go like this. Like, it just reminds me of that. I just loved it. So I'm just gonna go on with this one that I already showed you guys, and I'm gonna apply it, and you guys can watch me.
Between us, there's no place I'd rather be. Oh, you some hospitality.
Alright, so I'm not feeling the color as much as I thought I was going to, because it's like a little bit darker than what I actually like my colors to be. So I think I'm gonna tone it down with something. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I go with a matte or go in with a gloss? I think I'm gonna go in with the gloss, but right now I need to lighten it up because with my skin tone, it doesn't go as well with this look as I would like it to. So I'm gonna change that and get back on the camera. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is the look. I really like it. I liked it more than I thought I would. The only thing I would change is how dark the color is. But I'm just giving you guys a close-up to see how it looks. Giving. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I know it's a small little makeup look, but you know, I had to bring it for you guys. But yeah, I just thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you guys like this. This video is not sponsored. I bought these products with my own money. This is my full review. I would like more colors in it. I do like these products a lot, you know. I wanted to give you guys this look. I want to give you guys some more Pat McGrath looks in the future. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Support me, please. I really won't disappoint you guys, and I want to bring more content for y'all. So thank you so much again for watching throughout the end. I love you guys. Take care.